What in the wide, wide world of sports is going on here?
I don't know what it is, but it's phenomenal.
All right, people, we're going to try something a little different today.
I cannot solve your problem, sir. Only you can.
Am I missing something?
You want answers? I think I'm entitled. You want answers? I want the truth! You can't handle the truth!
Don't mess with the bull, young man. You'll get the horns.
The reality is, humans are humans are humans, and that's never going to end.
No, I do mind. The dude minds. This will not stand.
It's a big, big deal.
Hello. You speak English, sir? Parlo usted inglés?
60% of the time, it works. Every time.
I've done the math on this. We've talked about it on this show before. That's a fact.
You'll learn a little something about yourself.
That's us, dude!
That's why we're radio show hosts.
That's right.
I don't have to tell you things are bad. Everybody knows things are bad. The dollar buys a nickel's worth. Shopkeepers keep a gun under the counter. Punks are running wild in the street, and there's nobody anywhere who seems to know what to do, and there's no end to it. It's like everything everywhere is going crazy. I don't want you to protest. I don't want you to riot. I don't want you to write to your congressman because I wouldn't know what to tell you to write. I don't know what to do about inflation and the Russians and the crime in the street. All I know is that first, you've got to get mad.
Let's do this.
Discussing issues that matter to you. Finding real answers using logic and reason. KLZ 560 presents Rush to Reason. Now, here is your host, John Rush.
And welcome, everybody, to hour number 3 of Denver's Afternoon Rush to Reason, KLZ 560. Dan Meurer, George Athanasopoulos in for the vacationing John Rush.
John, make sure you're applying the sunscreen liberally. You can get burned real easy there on the beach. So
that's the one place you should be liberal, is applying the sunscreen.
No. Actually, you want take that back. Just put a lot on it.
Just put a lot on.
Yeah,
okay. So we don't want to use that word liberal.
No, not at all.
No, especially with our next guy we got coming up. It's actually Tuesday, but right now it's the Monday Mortgage Minute with Kurt Rogers from Affordable Interest Mortgage. Kurt, my friend, how you doing?
I am doing fine today. Dan, how are you?
Hey, I'm doing great. So you've got some VA loans out there that you want to talk about.
Yeah, well, I think there's an opportunity for veterans that they might not have heard lately, but rates on a VA loan are in the low 3s. I don't anticipate they're going to stay there for long. So whether you want to buy one or you want to refinance, because on a VA refinance, you can take out 100% of your equity, and there's no hits. There's no extra cost for it. VA loans do not have mortgage insurance. So rates are eventually going to go up. So if you're thinking about it over the next 30 to 60 to 90 days before rates go up, you probably want to get started on it because I don't know that this opportunity is going to be there much longer.
You know, Kurt, I can't imagine if you're a vet why you don't have a VA loan. Are there vets out there that just don't know that the programs are available or this good?
Well, that's part of it. You know, we've had VA on our show on Your Money Matters on Tuesday. And they talk about a lot of veterans think that they just don't want to go take anymore. They just don't want to do that. That's not necessarily their style. But this is something that, you went in the military like myself. You earned the right to have this privilege. Take advantage of it because, if you're in the low 3s, $300,000, $400,000 house is going to have payments cheaper than rent.
Yeah, no question about it. Kurt, one of the things, I'm a conservative talk show host. I hate big government. I hate wasteful spending. But I'll tell you what, when it comes to our vets, I want them to have these kind of programs. First of all, they've done a great service for us by serving our country, by going out and doing things that I haven't done or won't do or things like that. They put their life on the line. I've got absolutely no problem with having these kinds of benefits for our veterans.
Now, it really helps them out because, you can do a VA or an FHA loan and the rate might be good, but you got mortgage insurance, which is like add 1.5 points to your payment, and it doesn't work. But with a VA loan with no mortgage insurance, and if you have any form of a disability, you have no upfront funding fee. So you get it's the best 30-year fixed loan available. Nothing comes close.
Amazing. Okay, Kurt, so if people want to find out more about the VA loan and contact you, what do they call? 720-895-0500, or they go to our website at aimortgage.net. We are NMLS 298191, and we are regulated by DORA. Kurt, thank you so much for all that you do and also for sponsoring Rush to Reason. We really appreciate you.